Good morning and welcome to MazeNet Solutions. And today we are going to see about auto backup file. So for that, just open Tally Prime and click on F1 Help. On that, just go to TDLs and add-ons and you could see an auto backup Prime data has been loaded. So we will be providing a TCP file. So once getting loaded, after successful completion, just keep escaping and go to your main page. And you can see data option, click on it and go to auto backup, which is the bottom. So enable auto backup, click yes and set the backup location. So I want my data to be backup at D path. So give your own location and add additional backup location. If you have any kind of additional backup locations, you can add it. And backup format is in TBK or zip or zipped TBK. It's based on your decisions and necessity. For that, source 1. So automatically the data and the path will be set automatically in the source 1 data. So the list of companies will be enabled over in this kind of data. So for me, you can select what are the data or what are the company data you have to backup. So I'll be giving this payroll data and Maharaja Jewelers to be backed. So keep entering and that's it. And if you have any other source, you can add it over here and just keep entering and just click on daily add. So here we have an option like daily add, on ideal, on log on, repeated weekly. So I'm using daily add option and you can see the time is 16:55. Now I'm giving the time at 16:56. Okay, let's see the auto backup method. Click enter and that's it. Accept it. And the schedule has been started. A window page will be running over it and you can see a create a tally backup schedule about the information and press any key to continue. And you have to wait for a minute for this auto backup. So the main advantages of auto backup in Tally that whenever you enter something in Tally like voucher history, master creation, etc., the auto backup utility work from behind and update you the backup with the recently added entry. So this will be a very helpful for your auto backupping of your important data. So eitherly backup file name will be something like TBK or you want to zip file or you want a TBK into zipped file. It's all based on your necessity. So it's simple and it's much easier for you. So now we can check into folders. Go to folders and select the path. So the backup location is in dpath/backup files. So you have to go to dpath backup files. Look into it. You can see a backup file is created in 16:56. So you can look into this demo. We have created the time at 16:56. So just go back again to the folder. And you can see the exact time at 16:56. The backup data has been created. So click on it and you can see source 1 and the two files has been converted into RAR files. So the users can schedule backup multiple times in a day by selecting daily and the time for each backup. So Tally Auto Backup module allows schedule backup on daily basis on specific location. So this will allows user to take backup during opening and closing of Tally automatically in specific folder on daily basis. So these can be on local drives. For example, C, D, E, F. It's based on your necessity. So that's it. And we have learned about auto backup. I hope this will be useful for you. And we'll be catch you up in next video.